if I'm a project manager, if I'm somebody at a contractor, what is some of the best ways that I can kind of start pushing that early involvement in supply chain? Do I need to push my owner? How does that happen?
Well, I think even before one of the best practices that owners are doing now is they're doing a market sounding, especially on
Mm,
large projects. We have this $200 million water plant that's going to be coming out. We're in design now. Just an open forum for contractors. We're reaching out to the industry. What are your concerns? Or owners, do they want to get good bidders? Some owners, if they're notoriously bad, won't get bidders, but the ones that engage with the community will typically get the better contractors. They'll get better pricing, so they'll be able to put more work in place for their capital dollars. On the contractor side, it's pushing in a different direction. It's making sure that the owners that you do business with are properly evaluating these things. There's a lot of resources out there between Engineering News Record and AGC puts out a lot of information, and ABC puts out a lot of information on what the trends are, and what commodities are at risk, and is my 2x4 lumber stud going to be 250 this week or 1250 this week? It's one of the themes in especially with DBIA, Collaborative Delivery Association, is it's talking, it's transparency. And for a long time our industry has been it's an owner versus contractor. And when we can talk more, get around the table, hey, these are the risks that we're seeing in this project, let's be collaborative about it. If you want me to take the whole price risk, I can. It's going to increase my price to you. If I don't realize that risk, I'm going to pocket a whole lot of money. Whereas if we share it, if we deal with it, maybe we establish that our lumber is going to be X dollars per board foot on bid day. If it goes up, beyond a band, you reimburse me for it at cost. If it goes below, I can give you some money back. That's fair and reasonable, instead of the owner taking the entire risk, or the contractor or the subcontractor. A lot of subcontractors are little guys. They can't take complete risk for something that they don't know what the price is going to be till they show up at the big orange home improvement store, or the big blue orange, or big blue improvement store, and buy their stuff.